Hello. Today our title is Keeping the Memories and Losing the Stuff. Today I took down my graduation announcements for my two grandsons, their thank you cards that they sent me for their gifts, and their pictures that I had put up around my window in my bedroom so I could look at them every morning. Does that mean I don't remember their graduation or them? Of course not. It means that that season is over, and I put those pictures and those thank you cards and those graduation announcements away. Now, I will probably save those announcements because that was a big milestone in their life. And for me, I like to look back on that. But I can't save everything. And so you can't save everything either because you don't have enough time, room, or headspace for all of it, frankly. Will you actually look at it if you have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of things in your memories that you're saving to look at? Our brains are so fantastic. We can remember without those little reminders. So if you think you're going to forget, don't worry, you won't forget. Keep the things that mean the very most to you, and everything else, kiss goodbye. Have a great day.